whatever, get it clicked away. Sweet. Alright, so we made it. Cars and coffee. Nice. I think sounds nice. Alright, so we're going to take a walk around, find the friends, and then we're going to show them the exhaust a little bit later, see what they think. Got the new thing all rigged up. Had to do some adjustments, some little fab to make it work perfectly, but seems to be working now. Got some nice bikes. Nice cars as usual. We're going to go link up with friends. And then, yeah, we'll chat with you all there. Leave the helmet on for a little bit for the head cam experience. Alright, so the guys are going to be up on that other side. We're going to cross over here. Oh, look at that. Sweet orange. Whew. Man. Yo, got the quads. Alright, we're going to walk around that in a little bit. First, we're going to link up with the friends, and then we will take a walk around this place. I have the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 with me today, which should be perfect for Cars and Coffee. We have some polarizers, ND filters. We're going to test and see what our ideal setup is, and yeah, get some footage. It's going to make it into this video, but it'll also be up on our Instagram, so check out Jolly Roger Live and Mega Mini Media for more on that. Yeah, alright, we're going to find the boys over here. Oh, sorry. Nice cameraman. Where are they at? I said over by the cobblestone. See how much I believe them. Do 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 do. I'm already getting distracted by cars. Where he is? Oh, there's all the bikes. Jesus. Alright, I parked in the wrong area. There they are. I see them now. Dude walking around with the 360. Sick. Yeah. We just got video of these 2 weekends ago. Say hi to the friends quick. I'll be back. Whoa, Scoob! That's a huge blonde Scoob! Hey. Alright, tight. Let's go check out some bikes. I'm surprised they didn't ask me to park with them, what being a 300 and all. My giant, massive, powerful bike. Sounds like it.
I know. I'm sure.
Sounds at least like an 1100.
Shit to do.
Yeah, see, these are real bikes. Oh my god, dude, the old school 80s, 90s race bikes. There's something about that look. CFMoto has this little thing called a Papio. It's a 125, and they just made an SS version of it, and it's the old school 80s bubble front windshield with the two bug eyes, or the two just circles. It's tight. How you been? Yeah, doing pretty good. Is that a Supra?
Yeah.
Is that a Supra?
Yeah.
Is that a Supra?
Yeah.
Is that a Supra? Am I a Supra? Yo, I got smiled at by a person for my exhaust today, and it made my entire day.
Did it?
Anything could happen now, and I'll still be smiling. I remember that car from this time, last time. The old brown Works. It's like taupe. Or like khaki. It's drab. Nice.
You're over on that one?
Yeah. I'm over that one. Nice. See, like, actual motorcycles. You'll see mine and be like, oh, that looks like, and then I'll turn on and be like, oh, it sounds like a motorcycle, and then I'll drive off and I'll be in 6th gear and like 20 miles an hour. Be like, oh, that's not a real motorcycle. What's that?
I said, are you part of that CC Mafia?
Yes.
What is it?
I have no idea.
But you're a part of it.
No, I've heard of it. I don't know what it is. Is that a local group?
I don't know. That's I legit don't know. I thought you might. So that's why I was asking.
I've heard of Los Capos. That's a biker group around here. I think they just like ride super bikes and have fun though.
I've heard of the one that had that one TV show.
That one TV show?
Yeah, you know, on FX. I think their name is Anarchy.
Oh, okay. I was like, wait, what? There's a bike gang with a TV show? What?
I said I've heard of that one.
God, that took me forever.
It's early.
There's Jax something. What's?
Yeah. Wait, what are we talking about? I don't know. I lost the conversation 3 cards.
Hey. Nice. That's tight. I like his shirt, permanently tired. Sleepy Mark. Except in the morning, you wake up with like before the sun. You're like the dude that hits the start button on the sun. Bro starts the day for everyone. Yo. There you go. Is that your Fiat?
No, that's an old 124.
Nice.
So the Mazda Miata next to it and the Fiat 20 years later had a grandkid, and it was the Fiata. I'm not kidding. Like the new Miata and the Fiat, like they were like cousin cars.
Cool.
Like it's 90% Miata, and then they just throw a different front end bumper. Like, and the lights mimic this one. Like headlight and tail light mimic it.
Okay, that's cool.
But it's modern.
I like when they do that. The like throwbacks to.
There was one in that lot over there.
Okay.
Like you probably can't see it, it's too small. Actually, you kind of can. You see the little convertible white thing right there? Like,
there's a bunch of people in front of it right now?
like if that guy with the red hat wasn't there, it would be right behind
Oh, okay. Yeah, okay.
you. You can kind of see the roof line of the drop top. That's the new version of the Fiat,
Okay.
which is 90% Mazda.
The Fiata.
Yeah.
I like that.
And then that is a Honda something, the little red thing right there.
Little red thing. That's sick.
It's a rear-wheel drive car, and it's convertible.
Rear engine, rear wheel drive.
Yes, the guy
Jeez.
has the hood open, so the radiator and stuff is where the front would be. So
Yeah.
it doesn't even have really a usable trunk.
So you could probably rip in that thing now, right?
It's a little 3-cylinder. It's like a K car in Japan. So
Oh,
it's under
dude.
a certain size motor.
Yeah.
So I mean, if over here you could probably make it faster.
Jesus.
I want to go fast in something that small.
Yeah, that'd probably get real squirrely, like not having a whole lot of weight in the front.
Squirrely, and that thing is bigger than that. No, it's okay. I was like, I thought it was warm and wet. What was that?
Hey, buddy.
It does.
I don't remember having food on my body.
Oh. Whew. Man. I don't know, that orange matches my boots pretty good. I might have to,
On the vet?
just go drive it home. I wonder if they'll trade for my bike.
Showing up in a full car in that suit.
Yeah.
Like it's convertible.
What up?
I need to be. Oh, you're in that one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, straight across. Is that another? Yo, is that another 300nk?
It kind of looks identical to yours, just in white.
Stuff that probably
Interesting.
Yeah, you get the same exact thing.
Maybe.
That'd be neat.
Is someone stealing my bike?
It's not hard to steal. You can pick them up, walk away.
Yeah, seriously. Throw it in a backpack. It's over there. It's probably easier to walk through this stuff, though. My bad.
When you're both, yeah.
I'm misdirecting the group. See, I've got MX boots now. I don't care about anything. I don't care about social studies. I don't care about language arts. Oh, those are like the nakeds. Those are sick. Yeah, okay. All right. That's a 310.
The Beamer version of your car.
Yeah, I could fit in there. Here's my little goofy boy. It's all like bagged up right now, double cheeked up.
So much more room for activities?
Yeah. I did not. I switched out the levers. I figure if I put the bike down, I want the original levers to stay intact.
Because it like matches.
That's what I've been trying to do, yeah. Like little stuff like that.
We drove it twice.
Do you guys want to hear it?
Yeah, kind of. That's why we came over.
It's obnoxious.
I want to hear it. I don't care.
All right. Yeah, I freaked myself out when I was like putting the exhaust on. I had bumped the shifter, and I'm like, why is it not turning on? Like, here we go.
It's not that bad.
Really?
No, it's not that bad.
To me, that's like, holy crap. Like, I'm just not used to it.
Okay, it's a little bad there.
Yeah, and that's the thing, is like it rides at like 6,000. It wants to sit at like 6K. So it's like, ah, on the road.
Like while you're going, does it drone?
A little bit, yeah. Thank you, appreciate it. Kill it? Chris is like, you could shut that off. Thanks, Meg. I appreciate it. No, I like it. So it's like, it's one of those things where like,
I'm in the category of loud pipes save lives on bikes.
yeah, that's the other thing. It took a lady driving up behind me at an intersection. She was texting, like face down into her phone, texting. She pulls up behind me and stops, and I like turn around and look at her, and I'm like, and she doesn't even like look up from her phone. And then the light turns green and she just starts to go behind me. And she's like this far. And I'm like, wow, wow. And she doesn't even look up. So she stops and she goes, what? Finally, because she like saw my bike, but she didn't hear me at all.
Yeah,
so I was like, all right.
That's why I like the Fiat, because like if I don't have that problem, but like if I'm at a light, they're like this on their phone and it turns green, I just rev it.
Yeah.
And it's like all of a sudden they hear my car going bang, 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 and then they look up and oh, and then like you see them like oh, and then like they go.
Exactly. It's not necessarily that you want them to look at you.
No,
it's just that
pay attention. And I
just look up. Yeah.
But like I've had a couple where it's like somebody like cut me off the Fiat and I step on all three pedals and then they like because when you get on it with the clutch, it does the I have it programmed. The tuner had it so that if I have the clutch in and I rev it, it sits at 3.5, but it's hitting the fuel cut, so it's pop, 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 like it does the AK banging.
Okay, yeah.
So it's like I don't like to do it, but it will do it. So it's one of those. Remember that Jetta? It'll do that.
Okay.
It's like like
starts going off like a cannon.
And you're like, whoa, what the hell is that?
Who's shooting? Dude, that's sick. I think I saw Robbie around.
Did he go that way?
I think so, yeah. I think he walked past.
I like it. It sounds good.